This is the large, yeah. This is the medium. Large. This look guys, they're nice. And also the bag. They're cheaper. The bag. See this? They're all cheap. Now before it's 399. Now it's before 499, 399. See look. But the problem is got a big body, wide body. See, looks this also nice. See, look. How much is this? See, but just $4 cheaper. Just $4 cheaper. Oh, bargain. Yeah, it's all bargain. Ew. See, look. I don't like that color. And this dress. Like, but I like this. But they're small. Let's say medium. I need large. And also this one. I have this kind of dress, embroider, white color, but from H&M. And I just I was wear one time. That's me. If I bought the clothes, I did not wear all the time. One time and then keep. No, I don't like jeans here. It's not good fitting for me. I have a Mongo jeans. It's not good fitting. It won't give me a body shape. And this is nice, right? For spring. See, $799 before, $946. I like this because you know what? Even you wear jeans or skirt or a dress, maganda to. Na ano niya. And look, this white halter dress. Halter. Nice that. Yes, I love this. I love this also. You can pair with jeans or dress, whatever. What size is it? It's just only small, no large, but I need a XL or XXL. Oh, you know. This dress, halter dress. Print. Wow, look. Don't go out in the rain though. Paper clothes, Martina. What? Ow. Ow, wow. We should really buy disposable clothes, much easier remove and throw. Exactly. I love this one. How much? This is my size. This fit for me because it's straight cut. Straight cut. How much? Wow! Just only $8. Before is $3.99, now $3.18. Is it $8? It's $80. $80, less $80. Yeah, I like this halter, whatever. Sexy. You can wear sandals. You can wear high heels. The string high heel is sexy, or you can wear rubber shoes, sneaker. It's not sneaker.